Oh, there's a bass. Oh, shook off my baby bass worm. Yeah. It's a good one. It's like a 2-pounder. He's feisty. Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely 2. It's a chunky boy. Holy cow. And sucks that it pulled me into shore, though, because now I bet all those other bass are spooked. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Chunky, like 1.5 pounder. Ooh, gorgeous bass. Let's let him go. Oh, look at that. Another gorgeous bass on a lake St. Clair. Here we go. There's one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, jeez. Holy cow, guys. This is massive. Oh, my Lord. This might be close to 3. Oh, my gosh, guys. This thing is massive. Oh, my Lord. Look at the stinking belly on this thing. Man, this is a slaunch right here. Holy cow. I need to get my camera out for this. Oh, my Lord. Man. Casting over here. Man, he's pinned. This thing was not coming off. Choked it. Come on, man. Okay, there we go. Holy cow. Look at that bass. Alright, guys. Look at this massive bass. I mean, look at the gut on this baby. I mean, that is a pot-belly bass if I ever seen one. Like 2.5 almost, 2.25. I mean, that thing is just abnormal. Like, look at this dude. And he needs to cut off the minnows. Oh no. Oh, that's... Alright guys, let's let this massive bass go. Oh, dirty rascal. This one feels better. And maybe not. I just kind of started dragging him in. Oh, it's not a bad one. Don't you jump. Oh, it's a good one. Another super chunky boy. Holy cow. Another very fat fish. Man, I'm having a blast out here on the kayak right now. I'm just casting it out there and I'm catching them. I just felt a couple little bites and there he was. There's people zooming by. It's almost like I don't see a kayaker right here. The way this thing hit, man. Thought it was a pike. Oh my gosh. Ah, man, this thing is wedged in there good. That's what I like about using Texas rigs. Maybe, never mind. If I could go like this. Alright, there we go. Alright, guys. Another gorgeous Lake St. Clair bass right here. Wow, look at that. Like, I don't know. 1 3/4, probably almost 2. Another very fat fish. Gorgeous Anchor Bay fish. Oh, he's mean. Hold on, buddy. Oh, y'all, they always splash me. Got a bass, I think. Ooh, it's fighting so good. Oh my. Oh, it's a big one, guys. This is a big one. This is a big one here. Holy cow, I don't even have a net. Oh, this is massive, guys. This is a massive largemouth. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, guys. This one's massive. No, don't jump. No! Stay on. Stay on. All right. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Get in the boat! Yes! Yes! Oh my lord! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude, guys, do you see this bass? This bass is a monster. This is, oh, that's every bit of 3.5 right there, guys. Oh, good thing I came back out and took a couple extra casts. I'm so happy. Dude, if this thing was fat, this thing would be a 5. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. How happy am I right now? I am very happy, if you couldn't tell. Oh my lord, monster. Oh, let me get the camera out. Holy cow. These are the things why I sit out here and fish for that long right here, guys. Big old 3-pounders. This thing's like 3.5. I mean, this is great fishing here, guys. I love it. I love it a ton. I can't get a great picture, but this is as good as it's gonna get right here. Look at this behemoth. Dude, this has been a great day today. Alright guys, let's release this monster bass. 3.5 pounder. Probably every bit of 17, 18 inches. Alright, big girl. Let's let you go. Don't. She gonna jump? Oh no. There she goes. I got another bass. It's a nice one.